Hey everyone, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to fix Gangstar New Orleans if it's not working. So without further ado, let's get started. So now if you have a trouble with the app, it could be because of a few things. First of all, make sure your phone meets the game requirements. You can find this info on the Play Store or Apple App Store. Well, as you can see, my phone is compatible. So let's try freeing up some space. If your phone storage is full, try freeing up some space because app need room to run smoothly. So if this problem keeps popping up, the other way is to download it to another trusted app or website. Just make it sure it's safe. If you already downloaded the app and it does not open, try the same method. Try to clear some space and restart your phone. So that's it. Now you know how to fix the app. If you have any issues, let me know. Thanks for watching and take care.